Here's a retake of these 3 Schindler 5400 AP MRLs at Queen's Plaza. Now I'm a little bit scared doing this because last time I filmed service lift and got in trouble. I'm not going to film the service lift and upload it. I already have filmed it, but I'm not uploading it to YouTube. Here it is, we'll get the middle lift. So I'm going to be a quick take. Green D8. We'll do a cavity. Lift number 2.
P5 blue.
There's the car park. Interesting how the level 1 button doesn't sound anymore due to age. Registration number P0025519. We'll go to G and end it.
Level 1.
Hang on. There we go. We're moving again. Go and hit here.